In front of me is Nothing Phone 3, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to find Special Features. Then tap on Gestures. Select one-handed mode over here. And if you are using gesture navigation, tap on gray switcher next to Use One-Handed Mode to activate it. Then hit Full Screen into Reach and follow all of those instructions. Pull down the top half of your screen by swiping down from the bottom of it, like on this animation. So when I do that, one-handed mode is on. To go back, swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable it completely, click on the same No Black switcher. If you are using Tricky's navigation though, not gestures, this option will be unavailable. To still use one-handed mode, scroll all the way down and tap on gray switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut. Tap on OK and use this shortcut to enter and exit one-handed mode. You can disable it by tapping on the same No Black switcher. You can also tap on one-handed mode shortcut on the left and manage all of those options however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!